In front of me is Realme 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching recorder and clicking on this red button at the bottom to start recording. Then choose Allow in Notifications pop-up. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To add a bookmark, select left icon, and to add a photo mark, right one. Then take a pic, and to add it, tap on this check mark. To end your recording and save it, hit Save at the top right corner. Then name it and tap on Save again. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it, but to delete it, hold it. Then click Delete at the bottom left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!